everybody, this is Jordan Tan, your friendly neighborhood bartender. Again, today let's do something which is related to my country, the Singapore Sling. S for Singapore. The ingredient will be gin, cherry liqueur, or you might call it a cherry brandy, Cointreau, Bénédictine, Grenadine, Angostura bitters, pineapple juice. Last but not the least will be the lime juice. Okay, it's gonna be a shake drink, and let's do some shaking. Let me see, shall we get along with the cheapest ingredient first? The lime juice of 158. Video as well. Spreading stock about the canyon. And the elbow. Control 10. Cherry off 158. The next of G. 30. And then I put juice of 120. 120. 5. 90. Okay, my ice is here. According glass, it would be good if you have a sling glass, but I only have a cooling glass. Talking about this ice cube also. Ice cube. Let's do another strain. Not sure if you can see it. I love the color, isn't it? Garnish it with pineapple wedge. My pineapple. Oops. There you go. Save the turtle. Use a metal straw. And there you have it, the Singapore Sling. Trust. By the way, folks, do not forget the Angostura bitters. Okay, for my case, I like to add it in. Okay, after the cocktail is shaken, 1 dash is enough. For others, they like to add it in while shaking. The choice is yours.